Hey, it's David here from Danny's, and today we're going to be looking at diluting the still spirits essence down to its proper amounts. So in this video, we're going to be doing the still spirits essences. So there are different essences, and you can tell by the instructions on the side. It'll tell you how much dilution you require. Here, if you want to check out our other video, we just did it on cream liqueurs. So if you have a cream base, this is how you would do it, and the same thing for any schnapps base or liqueur base, the same principle applies. So in this case, we're going to be doing the violet gin, and in this one it has 2.25 liters, and you want to mix it with 40 ABV or vodka, and you can make 3 750 mils. So 2.25 is basically 3 750 mils, and what's really cool about them is they have little markings on the side for each 750 mil. So I have one 750 mil and I have a 1.5. So let's get moving on this. So I'm going to put, I'm actually going to use the funnel just to make it a little bit easier for me. And I'm going to add 750 mils of this. So I'm just going to go very, very slowly. And the reason for that is because I don't want to add too much or too little. I'm just going to add a touch more. And we're right on the mark there. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using water, and so I'm going to blend this in here. Okay, I'm going to let that settle for a little bit here, and I'm already going to put the next one in of the 1.5. So this again is 1.5. I'm going to add this essence in. Since we know that this is now 2 left, we just dump it all in. Another solution too is, if you want, is to get every little bit of essence. I'm going to do it over this thing here. Just going to fill it up a little bit, give it a quick swirl, and put that in as well. So it's good to the last drop, like everything else. And I'm going to fill this up. So I'm probably not going to have enough water here right now, so I'm just going to give you a quick and dirty version. So what I'll do is, I'm going to fill this one up here. So we got 750 just like that. We get this, get a little cork, give it a nice mix. Look at that, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful color. And we're good to go, just like that. Oh boy, that's going to be a disaster. All right, have a good day, and hopefully this helps. Again, I'm going to fill this one up, one more left, and then see you on the next video.